Imagine printing a 40-foot wind turbine blade mold, only to see the process fail hours into the build. In large format additive manufacturing, a failure like this can mean losing an entire day of production and a significant amount of material. Avoiding that scenario requires something critical: a predictable process before the print even begins. At JEC World 2026, Thermwood explained how digital twins and collaboration with Purdue University help engineers predict thermal distortion and residual stresses before printing even starts.
Well, they can predict it by using the actual true print path of the printed part. And that helps us understand where the fiber orientation exists and truly understand what's going to happen during the print process and the curing process. As the part shrinks, pools, where will those stresses be?
How complex can the parts produced with these systems actually be?
The parts can get more complex and even bigger. It helps us understand, again, where those stresses will exist in those prints. So we can then understand, maybe by just changing simple things like maybe the order of the print or the direction of the print, to relieve some of those stresses that can build. So now you can create parts larger, more complex.